The America-class is a ship class of landing helicopter assault-type amphibious assault ships of the United States Navy. The class is designed to put ashore a Marine Expeditionary Unit using helicopters and MV-22B Osprey V STOL transport aircraft, supported by AV-8B Harrier II or F-35 Lightning II V STOL aircraft and various attack helicopters. The first of these warships was commissioned by the U.S. Navy in 2014 to replace USS Peleliu of the Tarawa class. As many as 11 will be built. The design of the America class is based on that of USS Makin Island, the last ship of the Wasp class, but the Flight 0 ships of the America class will not have well decks and they have smaller on-board hospitals in order to give more space for aviation uses. Although they only carry helicopters and V-STOL aircraft, USS America, with a displacement of about 45,000 long tons, is similar in size to the French Charles de Gaulle and the Indian Vikramaditya fixed-wing aircraft carriers. Also, while more than 124 feet shorter, they are of comparable displacement to the former U.S. Navy Midway-class aircraft carriers. USS America can be used as a small aircraft carrier with a squadron of jet fighters plus several multi-purpose helicopters, such as the MH-60 Seahawk. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.